Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And thank you all who watch my videos faithfully and comment. It really does mean so much to me, and I am trying to get better and show the best content I can show. I know we all get better as we go, so thank you all so much for sticking with me as I do this. Today I have my Splendies, and I was going to tell you all a little bit about it. This is $14.99. Let me look. $14.99 a month, or like all of them, you can do more months at a time and save money. Like 3 months ends up being $14.50, but of course you have to pay the $43.50 ahead of time and so on. It says they renew every month on the 11th, and you can cancel at any time. You can order the surprise variety. It's 3 pair. You always get 3 pair. You can get the surprise variety, which is usually 2 pair of where they have the full backs and then 1 thong, or you can get no thongs and you can get all thongs. All the unboxings I've ever seen of the surprise variety has 1 thong in it. I'm not saying that is the way they always do it, but that is what I have always seen them do. So it is $14.99, and that is small, medium, large, or extra large. And I'm gonna look, I've never looked at the other prices. If you're 1X and above, oops, let's see, if you're 1X, 2X, 3X, or 4X, the prices are $16.99, so it's $2 more if you're anything over an extra large, which is still a really good deal for, these are really good quality, I think. And I have sewn and made things for many years. That is what I have done as my home business that I've done for years. I've paid the bills doing that, actually making custom made dog things like harnesses, and I made all kinds of things. That's what I have done for years. Kind of an accidental thing. It wasn't something I planned on doing, but it just happened because I had miniature dachshunds and I was making them things. Because if you have dachshunds and you know they have really long backs, and it's really hard to find things that fit them, so I started doing it and accidentally came into a business, and I was a single mom for many years, and I mean, that's how I did it. Anyway, I know from experience when you make things a little bit bigger, it does cost more. So that was my example. But the Splendies always comes wrapped up nice in some type of tissue paper. This is this month's with hearts all over it. Last month's I think was black and white checks or something. I can't remember for sure, but I really do like I mean, they're so soft. But this is the first pair, and I get the full backs. I don't like thongs. And these are, you see how cute they are. They almost always have some little bow on them and lace around it, and it's not real itchy. I've had lace that was like really, like, I don't know how to explain it, hard like. And this is really nice and soft. It's not itchy at all. And these retail for $12. And that's them. They do have a full back. Okay, I had to pause that for a minute. Levi needed something. That is the one thing I'm videoing on my phone right now that I do like about the phone, is I can pause it when he comes in and out. With my camera, I have to just shut it completely off. But I have learned how to edit enough to piece them back together, so that's not as big a deal. But this was the first pair. And you see, and they are really nice. They're really a nice fabric. I'm trying to show it. I never would have thought that I would be showing panties on YouTube. That's just kind of weird, but it's not like they've ever been used, so it's not a big deal. So then there's this pair. These are really cute. I don't know how I feel about the backs being completely lace, but I do like the fronts. I like the stripes. And let's see, did they have a bow on them? I don't think this pair had a bow. No. So there's that pair. If I can get a hold of them. And this one does have the lace, just the lace back. I don't really know that I like that. I mean, I guess it's no big deal. I'm not real fond of that much lace that close to your personal parts. I don't really, but I mean, they're cute. And this pair retails for $12 too. Wilshire, Montana Intimates. And this other one is the Splendies. So they're different. This is a Splendies brand, and this one is the Wilshire, Montana Intimate brand. And then this pair is Miss Vicky's Intimates. And this one also retails for $12. And it is just a basic, and this one does have the little bow. These are just a little basic underwear. You see it has the full back. Aren't those just cute? I love the ones that they send. And if you are interested in getting these, I will leave the coupon code. I can't think of what it is right off, but I know there is a coupon code that if you want to try these, you can put in that coupon code and get 50% off your first month, which would make these, I'd say it's like $7.50. It'd make you could get 3 pair for $7.50 for your first month, and see what you think. That is a really good deal, I think. So I will get that coupon code and leave that below for you in case you're interested. That is, yeah, you can't beat $7.50, and it says you can cancel at any time if you want to try 1 month and see what you think, and then cancel if you're not happy. And it is free shipping, so it is $14.99. At least that was what I saw. I'm pretty sure it was free shipping. I will double check that. I don't want to tell you wrong, but if it is, I mean, it's just a little package, so surely if it was shipping, it wouldn't be much. But I'm pretty sure when I looked, my bill was just $14.99. So there is that. It's called the Splendies from California. I've never heard of this until about 6 months ago, but this says they established in 2013. So that's interesting. I just noticed that on the sticker. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't clicked the like button, please do so. It really does help me out a lot. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.